Hello everyone. Today, we'll be discussing how to integrate HubSpot with Airmeet. HubSpot is a powerful two-way data syncing CRM that allows data to flow seamlessly between Airmeet and HubSpot. Let's dive into the details and explore this integration. Overview. HubSpot integration with Airmeet syncs contact details, participant details, and offers deeper integration by syncing event attendance, session attendance, questions, polls, booths, and registration data. Community-level integration. Go to the Airmeet Community Dashboard. Click on the Integrations tab. Under the Apps tab, look for HubSpot and click the Connect button. Click on Login and authorize your HubSpot. Select the HubSpot account you want to connect. Agree to Terms and Conditions and click Connect App to connect HubSpot to Airmeet. Remember, one HubSpot account can be mapped to one community only. If you try to map the same HubSpot account to another community, you'll get an error message. Event-level integration. Select the event and go to the Airmeet event dashboard. Click on the Integrations tab. Find HubSpot and click on the Enable option. You'll see default fields mapped automatically. You can also add new fields by clicking on Add New Fields. While exporting contacts from Airmeet to HubSpot, you can also choose to use a new property in HubSpot for the contact's direct access link for this event by toggling it on. And while importing the contacts from HubSpot to Airmeet, configure the import settings to mark contacts as registered or invited attendees based on your plan. Under the Custom Activity, you can enable or disable the custom activities to be added to HubSpot. Once satisfied, save it. Syncing contacts. When you upload or register any contact, it will sync to HubSpot. Let's see this in action. 1. Sync from Airmeet to HubSpot. So now if we upload any contact via CSV, or if we do any attendee registration, we'll get those contacts in HubSpot. Registration info can be seen on the dashboard. Now, go to HubSpot Contact and check if the email is in sync. And there we have our email synced from Airmeet to HubSpot. Click on Attendee Name and then on View All Properties, which will show all the properties of this contact. We can see city, company name, last name, and such. And for the Airmeet properties, we'll see last registered Airmeet direct access link and its date. Deeper integration data. Deeper integration data will sync 30 minutes after event or session ends. Here is a sample data. View the timeline cards for these data in HubSpot. So far, we have data timeline for question asked, session attended, booth visited, Airmeet events attended, and poll responds. These are the deeper integration data that we push from Airmeet. Click on Filter Activity to filter out the activities here. So this is the Airmeet production app. Select Airmeet in Filter Activity to get the list of activities as timeline cards here. 2. Sync from HubSpot to Airmeet. To sync data from HubSpot to Airmeet, we need to create the workflows. Click on Workflows and then on the Create Workflow button, select Contact-Based Blank Workflow. Click on Next, and here we create triggers for the workflow. You can also name it. Click on Set Up Triggers button and select Contact Properties and select one of the mandatory fields, that is, email. Here, we are setting the filter condition if the email is known and applying that particular trigger here. Now click on the plus icon to choose the event. Here, we have the HubSpot Staging app and Airmeet Production app. Select the Production app and here you will see the list of events that you have created in your Airmeet community. Select the event and save the workflow. Click on Review and Publish button for your workflow. It will give you two options. If Yes is selected, it will start pushing all the existing contacts. And if we just click on No, it will only sync the contacts that meet the trigger criteria after turning the workflow on. Click on Turn On to activate your workflow. Now, if any contact is added in HubSpot, it will be added to Airmeet as well after few minutes. One also has the option in HubSpot to sync existing contact to Airmeet. Just select the emails and click on More and select Enroll in Workflow and select the workflow and save it. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful.